Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to crop a video in CapCut. And this is quite simple, so let's start this tutorial. Alright, first find a project where you want to crop this. Then please click on the edit option left in the bottom, and then from here we go to the option transform. Then from here you have the option resize, and right now what we can do is we can throw this one to the middle, we can throw this one from the top to the middle, we can make this one maybe closer or something like this. And right now, if we tap on accept, we just crop this file. Now you can also select a typical size if you want to crop something by this, but I prefer the custom option because right now if I throw this one to my video and this one to the clip too and this one too, and then do accept, we only have that file here in our editor now. Alright, this is exactly how this works, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.